Okay, so I'm going to say something a little bit shocking, I think, to begin with. Body transformations don't last. You make them last or not. They're subject to the same laws of the universe as everything else. You know, if something's not maintained, if you're not paying attention to these things and actively keeping them alive, then it fades away, right? So the whole idea of body transformations that last, it gives the impression that, you know, that you do it in a particular way and then that's it lasts, it stays there forever. But that's not the case. It's that behaviors are developed that are sustainable. That's what this video is about today. It's about looking at how to realistically maintain a change.
I've lost a good 50 pounds, but as you can see, I put all that weight right back on.
Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'm a weight loss coach and psychotherapist and hypnotherapist. And today we're here to talk about making body transformations last. As we always do every week on the channel. If you want to hear more about that sort of thing, then subscribe, like the video, watch the videos, and then you'll learn more and more about it as we go on. So before we get right into it, I wanted to say something that is quite elusively obvious, and that is that you can't change too much at once. There's rarely in life is there anything that you can just flip the whole system upside down and change everything and then expect that it should just run smoothly. You can't make massive political changes and social changes and expect everyone to just carry on and be happy with that, or change everyone's job roles and everything they were doing yesterday is different tomorrow and think that that's all just going to land perfectly. It's a messy process to integrate all that. But for some reason, fitness, people expect that should be the case. That got a completely unhealthy lifestyle today, and then tomorrow, just because I've decided that I'm going to be able to just change everything and maintain it. It doesn't work like that with anything.
Well, I'm on this new diet. It's very effective. Well, I don't eat anything. And when I feel like I'm about to faint, I eat a cube of cheese.
Another point is that, for the most part, people significantly changing themselves is actually quite a rare thing. And that's why it's so impressive to see. It's so impressively used in marketing, and to see people have lost all this weight and kept it off, and it catches your attention because it's an unusual thing. It's very difficult, and it's not something that happens a lot. And the people who do make those changes and are successful, the truth is, for them, it happens over time. It happens slowly. It happens in stages, and it's peppered with setbacks and challenges and changing difficulty levels and all sorts of lapses and obstacles along the way. But when all is said and done, over the course of time, they get there. They're moving toward their goal. They've gotten to where they have aimed to be, and they are continuing to aim to do more and to keep going on the journey, because it's a never-ending journey. It's constantly going. We're constantly striving for more, happy with where you are, but constantly striving for more.
When does it end? It never ends.
For better or worse, this is the journey. It's ongoing, it's long-term, it's up and down, it's all over the place. Just like anything in life, really. You look at someone's career, or a relationship, anything significant and meaningful in people's lives, it really operates on the same rules. It's good times and bad times. There's easier and harder aspects of it. It's constantly learning, constantly growing, and constantly integrating it into your life and maintaining it and nourishing it. So health and fitness isn't any different. There's no quick fix, no easy program. No one's coming to save you. No one's coming to make it easy for you. There is no magic program. There is no solution that's going to be easy and effortless and just carry you through. So let me just dispel you of that notion right now. And I think deep down we all knew that was the case. But wishful thinking keeps it alive, and surely it's got to be an easier way. Surely it couldn't be this hard. Surely it shouldn't be like this. But yeah, I mean, like I said, same thing with relationships. Shouldn't they be easier? Well, they're not. Shouldn't your job be easier? No, well, it's not. We're just going to have to accept that this is the journey and get to work. Do what needs to be done. Move forward. But in a realistic way. Just do it. Just force yourself through these arduous programs and these quick fix, short challenge based approach. We have to find a sustainable way to do it. A sustainable, realistic strategy. But it still requires your effort to be continually being put into the process, and it's infinitely easier over time, and it's much more sustainable the more that you do, and the more comfortable you are with the whole process. And that's really what it's about. Okay, well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed that, subscribe, like the video, comment down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say, and stay tuned because we're going to be releasing videos every week. So I'll see you next time.